Change font directly without mouse in MS Word. Click File. Then click Option. Then select Customize ribbon. Choose Customize. Then find Fonts. Select Fonts. Then select font you want to use as a shortcut. Then use the shortcut key of your choice here. Then click Assign. Click Close. Now if you use the shortcut key, your font will change. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.